Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech in USA. So what's friends? So today I brought before you this premium mobile stand provided from Striff. Friends, let me show you a story behind this. Back of the days I was using just that backstand what you get. I was using that mobile case where you get a backstand beside it, but it broke off. So I thought of getting a new stand for my mobile because I usually frequently do some video calls and I watch movie in my mobiles, and also I don't have a back case for my tab. Therefore I thought that such one back stand which can fit both mobile and tablets, my mini tab which is nearly 7 to 8 inch of its size. So basically I got this Striff mobile stand which is pretty premium friends, but other than its premium features it has got some of the awesome things that I'm going to say. And if you're gonna buy these, the best buy link from Amazon is given in description. Give it a check. I'm 100% sure that you'll like it. So let's start the video. Friends, first of all, talking of the specifications that are recent on the outside of this box is that you can mend it from 0 to 100 degree angle you can adjust, and the preferred angle is given. 10 view settings is given, and you can hold your smartphone and tablets both in portrait and landscape mode. And this totally this product is built in steel spring which can withstand following about 10,000 times with its weight. So this is basically a great durable device. And rather than this is portable, it is foldable, easy to slip into your pocket, and rubber pads and feel protect your device. So basically it is also given you some rubber pads in this side so that your device don't slip off. So friends, let's unbox this thing. So friends, this is the product which you get here. It is friends really it is a premium one. So you can see here the product is mendable in plenty of various angles you can send it. So just you can say if it is a table or some on the place, you can just keep it and you can adjust the angle at your wish, and you can adjust in many places. And really it is a very durable product friends, and mainly the product is pretty premium product friend. Look, see here the finish is pretty good. Therefore I would suggest you, if you want to purchase one stand, and I think that this one is the best thing you got on Indian Rent. So friends, the review is up to this much. This is the product what you got, and this is of course a short video because nothing much to say about this. Here you got the writing of Striff, and rather than that I would say that the finish given in both these sides makes this product look pretty premium, and I think that you should purchase this product. Best buy link is given in the description. Please give it a check. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you want some of the other product reviews, then please do comment on our videos.